Hello. That's what you're doing.
Well, you know what, it's not raining.
You're looking out the window and it's pretty smoky out there right now today. It's the worst day at Salt Spring. It's just a haze out there.
That's right, exactly.
From all the fires in Washington, Oregon, and California. So the last 3 days has been getting worse, and today is the worst day. So anyway, but this little guy is happy to be indoors. Oops. Do you want me to move, Michelle?
Oh no, I'm still slicing up his stuff here.
Okay.
No, honey, you want me to get a...
How you doing?
I guess you won't eat yet.
How you doing? Hey? So this little guy talks, but he's not gonna say anything right now because I'm here. Usually when we're out on the deck, he starts talking. Don't ya? That's what he goes, oh, and that's what you're doing. Oh, that's what you're doing. That's how he says it.
Oh, good. Yeah, she was talking about that. That's great.
Oh, look at it. He makes his own recipe.
Yeah, he makes his own recipe.
It's like a salad bar.
How you doing, buddy?
Fresh fruit.
This couch is
God,
disgusting.
it looks like a granola. It's got a big granola mix going on in there.
He actually needs a little bit. He needs fresh seeds, but I'm not.
Yeah.
I can't do that this morning. There's too much going on. I have a way that I just add some fresh seeds to the top.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that. Hello. Yes.
Yeah, look at him how he bites. Holy smokes.
Oh, yeah.
He went at that little toy there. Oh, fresh fruit. My goodness. Look at that.
Did you do a deer?